everyone, Muhle on your screens with some great and exciting news. We have officially launched Africa Drone Kings Western Cape, located at the Auto Broadway Center on 9 Ertel Crescent, Somerset West. And to celebrate this launch, we have all of these consumer units on promotion at the moment, starting with the Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 4K, the Air 3S, the Mini 3, as well as the Neo, which are all Flamma combos. Thank you so much for celebrating this opening with us. Please do go onto our website on www.africadronekingswc.co.za to check out these promotions, or you can visit us in store. Thank you very much.